Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 2048 game tricks. First, it's crucial to understand the board's movement. Every swipe moves all tiles as far as possible in that direction, merging identical numbers. Always plan your moves several steps ahead, considering where new 2 or 4 tiles might appear. Remember, there is no time limit, so take your time to think through each decision carefully. This thoughtful approach will significantly improve your gameplay and help you avoid common pitfalls. One of the most effective strategies is the corner method. Choose one corner, for example, the bottom right, and commit to keeping your highest tile there throughout the game. To protect this tile, ensure the entire row or column it occupies remains filled. This prevents accidental shifts. Then, arrange your next highest tiles in a descending sequence, like 512, 256, and 128, right next to your main corner tile. This creates a stable base for growth. Building on the corner strategy, the snake method involves arranging your tiles in a continuous, descending pattern like a snake, extending from your highest corner tile. For instance, if your highest is 1024 in the bottom right, you'd have 512, 256, and 128 forming a line. This chain allows for efficient merges, as smaller tiles feed into larger ones. Focus on combining 2 and 4 tiles to grow your snake, maintaining its structure for optimal merging opportunities. As you progress, avoid chasing large tiles across the board, as this often leads to a cluttered state. Instead, let them naturally combine near your corner. Be mindful of unnecessary movements. Each swipe introduces a new tile, potentially blocking future merges. A good rule of thumb is to primarily use only 3 directions, for example, up, left, and right, while avoiding the 4th, like down, unless absolutely necessary. This helps maintain the integrity of your corner and snake pattern, preventing your board from becoming unmanageable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.